Cái điều đó bạn see just clock spring disassembling. This is a Volkswagen Amarok, the V61. So part number here, the clock spring. So usually one of those, the copper, the wire, this one's a fail, that this is failing it internally, like maybe inside here, or in most cases just snapped from here, but because this one's like a banded, and then keep like a, when the steering will moves, this will bend it, keep bending it and release it, bending it, release it. So that's why you have a damage on it. The whatever chopped the wire just in one line, it won't work, because this will goes to the airbags, and then steering control modules, and the steering, the was it like a steering buttons. So but anyway, that's usually failing it for the clock springs. So just let you guys know. But it's pretty, I don't know, well, can replace this one, you know, if you have a spare one. Anyway, that's what the reason for the failing it. Yeah, and then symptoms, clock springs, you will throw the engine, the airbag lights, and then the steering lock button doesn't work at all. I mean like a steering, the buttons on a steering, that doesn't working at all. Yeah, that's the symptom. Horn, plus the horn's not working either. So thanks for watching. Bye.